Swansboro Port Realty is your real estate guide to the Crystal Coast and surrounding area. Whether you are selling, buying, or looking for a property management team, Swansboro Port Realty would like to represent your next real estate transaction. 4-bedroom, 2-bath home with split floor plan close to Camp Lejeune. Living room has gas log fireplace. Large fenced backyard. Nicely landscaped yard with koi pond. Backyard features he or she shed with wood-burning stove. Dog negotiable, no restricted breeds or mixes. No cats.